Now request our second chief guest,
the President of the TCC, Mr. Sanjeev Gupta, Senior Vice President, Mr. Sanjay Bhatia, Vice President, Mr. Rohit Bajaj, Secretary, Mrs. Seema Avasthi, Organizing Secretary, Mr. Manan Buddhiraja, Mr. Punj, Mr. Kesar, Mr. Agrawal, Mr. Narechen, and all those captains sitting on the dais, the teachers, and I say players of the TCC, other dignitaries. Good afternoon to all of you, and very happy New Year. Every day of New Year 2020 must glow your cheer and happiness, bring you sound health, prosperity. I feel proud that I am in touch with the TCC from its initial stages. As Mr. Bhatia said, Mr. Sanjeev Gupta is the brainchild of the TCC. He has a clear vision, a very transparent person. And he initiated and floated this idea about 2 years back, which had a wide support from all the office bearers. You have very capable, dynamic and versatile personality in Mr. Sanjeev Bhatia, who has been a mentor to the TCC, a guiding light. And other prominent persons, Mr. Rohit Bajaj and Manan Buddhiraja, all of them are working tirelessly to make this tournament successful. Teachers have been practicing for a very long time. They have been working hard to compete in the TCC. I say that championship is important, but not so important as participation in the games. A champion was once a contender of the University of Edinburgh, which says that playing even cards and board games, are very, very important. They sharpen your memory, they sharpen your thinking skills. So, whether cricket or any other activity relating to sports, all these sports are very important. One should take part in one or the other activity. Only then you feel energetic, active, and this will percolate down to your children also. You will be able to motivate your children better once you are yourself taking part in these sports and other activities. We have to motivate the young minds to take part in the sports activity from the very early childhood, so that the foundation is built strong. You have seen in some of the sports, India is doing very well, like cricket or kabaddi or most other games. But the unfortunate part is that we only try to practice when the final games start. Only 2-3 months before the final game starts, when we participate in the championship, when we participate in the Olympiad, we try to practice only a few months back. It is not a regular practice. So as Mr. Dr. Manjeet had said, that we must take part in one or the other program throughout the year, rather than practicing 2 months before the championship. CBSE is doing a wonderful job. They are conducting various competitions in so many disciplines. I have 2 suggestions to make. That this TCC should spread its wings to other parts of the city, like in East or South districts. According to me, as my knowledge goes, we are still concentrating in the North or West districts. We must expand in other parts of the city so that our participation is bigger and bigger. Then we can, through the Sahodaya complexes, we can have competitions in different districts. And that is how the TCC can further expand, and our large number of teachers take part in such tournaments. There are 2 things which are important for the successful of any event. One is the teamwork. Other is the human and financial resource. As far as teamwork is concerned, I am very confident to say that the office bearers of the TCC have been working very hard. They are the fine team, and they have been doing their work very, in fact, very meticulously. Insofar as human resource, so that resource is not a hindrance in the proper functioning of the tournaments. With these words, I finish my talk with a quote: "Reach high, for stars lie ahead in your soul. Dream deep, as every dream leads to the goal." I congratulate the office bearers of the TCC for managing the show so nicely, and I hope that TCC will prove to be a leading factor in the years to come. Thank you.